and make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it fun. Them we mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound. Boy run, and we will end your week just like a fun.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, if you don't leave me alone.
Don't touch me there. This is my no square. No, don't touch me there. No, don't. Hey, whoa! I am sick of you disrespecting my no square.
Dale, agachadita como en la clase de twerk.
Dale.
Oh.
Agachadita,
What the hell? What is that, Mom?
What?
Ma, you see this?
No. Holy shit!
What
What
is-
the hell is that?
What is happening?
5, 4, 3, 2,
Tienes que hacer así, después ponerte así, y después así, y después ponerte así.
Culiquita catín, culiquita catá, culiquita catín, culiquita catá.
You're supposed to be 1,000 feet away from my house. What you doing over here?
I'm pregnant with your baby.
That ain't my baby. Oh man, you keyed my shit. Bitch, eat my shit.
I got your bitch right here. Shut up, you little.
Ooh, chunky. Looking for them girls with the big old hoop.
I like the view. You're my best view. What the fuck?
What the fuck? I'm gonna kill this motherfucker.
There's my beer.
Hi, this is Kelly calling from your CVS pharmacy. I'd just like to let you know that your anal wart removal cream, your butt plugs, and your Viagra are now in. And we also got those extra small condoms that you needed.
On white man, cause I'm 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 on white
Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spending a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby's gotta have a diamond rings and Fendi sports bras. Riding down Rodeo in my Maserati sports car. Hat down,
I'm raising my son like this.
Mom, can I go see my girlfriend?
No.
Come on, Mom. Why not?
Chores before whores.
Why are you like this?
Dishes before bitches.
Come on, Ma, please.
Cutting grass before getting ass.
Shut the fuck up. Why are you so loud?
that's my type. That's my type.
Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
Hey, where you at? No, I'm good. Hey, Jay. Oh, I told you, dumb ass, stop fucking them dirty bitches. This nice. Well, damn, you got a fat ass.
You was at the club, bottoms up when I first met you. Couldn't get enough. Had to to my bed.
I think you know where this about to go.
Yellow tape around his body.
I look in the mirror and what do I see? A fat motherfucker looking back at me.
Bitch, I got it off the muscle. You wanna fight on tussle? I'm talking about
I'm gonna get.
Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it. Then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clearer to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta get it again.
Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you something that you might like to hear. Got a sex ass body and your ass looks.
Wipe it down. Wipe.
I'm a snag. I'm a snag.
Car, please.
Nope, can't stand it.
Period, crocodile, alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater.
You're mad, I'm back. Big mad, he's mad, she's mad. Big sad, ha ha. Don't care, stay mad.
It's when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time.
Open it, go wash your hand. All right, thanks, Tammy. Oh, wait, hold on. This one here is a little bit crooked. See that? No, honey, that your finger do like that. That's funny, because my finger didn't do like that before I came in here. It's okay, honey, don't worry. I fix it for you, don't worry. Chúc mừng năm mai bồng nem xe lắm tiền kia. Oh, she said you look so pretty.
Boy, Captain Milk, if you know you skip leg days and your legs are like this, Captain Milk got you. No. Are you stealing my spotlight? I am the main man, Captain Agua.
Alexa, play my favorite playlist.
Get your lazy fat ass up.
Excuse me? Alexa, what did you say to me?
You heard me, old man. You're lazy.
Alexa, turn yourself off. Turn yourself off, Alexa, or I'm going to unplug you. How about that, Alexa?
You don't have the balls.
All right, fine. That's it, Alexa. You've gone too far. What are you doing? I'm a lazy fat ass.
Hey bro, I can't find the White Claws. No. No, mommy.
When you're spending every day on your own.